Ready to become the ultimate music curator for your friends and discover a whole new level of music enjoyment? Let's dive right into creating your first Spotify playlist. First, open the Spotify app on your phone or computer and navigate to your library, usually found at the bottom of your screen on mobile or in the left sidebar on desktop. In your library, look for the Create Playlist button. It's typically located near the top or bottom of the screen. Depending on your device, give it a tap or a click. A new window will pop up asking you to name your playlist. Get creative. Choose a title that reflects the vibe or theme of your music, for example, road trip anthems, chill study beats, or workout motivation. Now that you've named your playlist, it's time to add some music. Click on the Add Songs button, which is usually located in the center of the playlist screen. This will take you to the search function. Type in the name of your favorite song or artist. When you see the song you want to add, simply tap the icon or the Add button next to the song title. You can easily reorder the songs in your playlist by dragging and dropping them into your preferred sequence. If you want to remove a song, tap the three dots next to the song title and select Remove from this playlist. To personalize your playlist even further, you can customize the cover image. Tap on the current cover image, usually a default image, and choose a new one from your photo library or select color palette provided by Spotify. Finally, if you want to share your awesome playlist with your friends, click the Share button, usually represented by three connected dots. You can then share it via a link, social media, or directly through Spotify. And that's it. You've successfully created your own Spotify playlist. Now go forth, curate amazing music, and share the joy with your friends. Happy listening.